Okay, I'm going to have to use another phone, I found out, in order to make this video, because it seems that when you drag down from the top and then swipe over to the right twice, the screencast button or icon there is illuminated or already enabled when I'm using screen recording software on that phone. So that's the button that we actually need to connect it to the L322. So I'm having to use this phone in order to make the recording to demonstrate how to connect it to the L322. So all it is on the Android phones, and it's much similar on the iPhones as demonstrated on the screen, is we drag down from the top. We drag down from the top again twice to expand that menu. This is just called your quick menu, and it allows you to get to cast in your phone much quicker than just going through into settings, which is where it would normally be. And you swipe over to look at your icons in the quick menu, and screencast will be one of them, and it will show cast to device. Now initially Monto View won't show up there, and this is why I've had to make this video. You have to press settings, and then you have to press the three dots at the top, and you have to enable wireless display. You press on that to enable it, and then the wireless display Monto View will show up there, and then that's when you can connect to it. And then once we've connected to it, it says connected, and we're actually now streaming our phone to the L322 now. So everything on our phone that we see now, we will see on the L322, and that includes Google Maps and all satellite navigation and YouTube. And one other thing that I would like to mention is that if you've ever got kids in the back and you've got guests in the back, you can enable the TVs in the back and stream your phone to the back and the front, and you can actually open the McDonald's app whilst you're in the McDonald's drive-through, and in the McDonald's app they've got an offers button down here, and when you show that up on all screens in the car, you can let everybody pick the offer that is on offer that day. So if we were in the drive-through now, we would get 20% off our meal. So already the upgrade's paying for itself with this little tip here, and you can take advantage of the offers, let people make their orders whilst you're ordering it on your phone at the time you're in the drive-through, and then when you get to the drive-through, you've already paid with your phone, you just go to the drive-through, give them the code that this has generated, and everybody knows what they've ordered, and it's just a really nice way of utilizing the screens in your L322. Everybody knows what they want and what it looks like, and has a better selection. And I just thought that was a really good tip to share with you on how to make the most out of this upgrade. So this upgrade will actually increase the value of your L322. It's gonna increase the value because unlike CarPlay, which is very expensive, my upgrade is less than half the price, and it offers more than what any CarPlay system offers, with its flexibility of being able to allow you to utilize any navigation system that you want. You're able to stream any files, videos, anything that your phone is actually live streaming as you're using it. So you've got the full flexibility of being able to have the power of your phone or tablet or computer and actually put it on the screen of the L322. So I just think for the price of what it's at, buying the device which is appropriate for your car, whether it has screens or not, and getting the casting device so you've got all the features unlocked, it's going to increase the value of your L322. And from the years 2000 I think it's 2003 to 2013, as long as the DVD player is present, it may not be in 2003 to 2005, I'll have to double check that, but if it has the DVD player system in there, then it will work, because my system is really flexible. I've spent quite a lot of time ironing out the bugs and putting some features in there that allow it to connect to the 2010 and 2013 models. But you can contact me if you have any problems on the live chat on the website, and you can leave a message if I'm not actively on the website at that time. But if I am live on the website, I can give you a response right away. But a few people have already installed them, and they are, blown away about how easy it is to install. The installation for the hardware comes in a 2-page document, and comes with the item itself in its box, and it's just push fit together, and it couldn't really be any more simple. This was just a software configuration video for people that might find it hard to set up the software side of things on their Android device. If you're using an iPhone, the instructions for the iPhone are actually on screen. It shows you on the L322 screen that you would see actually on the screen right now the instructions on how to go to settings, go to display, go to cast, and then choose the Monto view, much like the Android way. Check it out, and I hope to see some good comments and some good reviews. I have a number of different products coming out as well, coming out up in the near future, which are all going to be plug and play. I'm just trying to finalize them all, rejuvenating them and modifying them, rekindling the environment, the group's investment in these solid Range Rovers. Join the Facebook group, which is Luxury Land Rover Upgrades, and subscribe to the YouTube channel as well, and then you'll get notifications when the new products come out.